Do you love bread but feel trapped by the struggle of managing your blood sugar? Does the thought of enjoying a sandwich or toast make you nervous about spiking your glucose levels? If you've ever stood in a grocery aisle wondering which bread is safe for diabetics, or if you felt like giving up on bread entirely, you're not alone. This video is here to change that. Today, we'll explore the top 7 bread options that not only taste great, but are also scientifically proven to help keep your blood sugar stable. Whether you're living with diabetes, prediabetes, or just trying to maintain healthier eating habits, knowing the right bread to choose can make a world of difference in your daily life. By the end of this video, you'll feel empowered to make smarter choices, enjoy your meals without fear, and maybe even rediscover the joy of bread. So, what makes the perfect diabetic-friendly bread? Which ones can you trust to satisfy your cravings while supporting your health? Stick with us, and you'll discover options that are low-carb, high in fiber, and perfect for stabilizing blood sugar levels. Let's dive in and make bread part of your life again. Guilt-free. Sourdough bread. Sourdough bread is not just delicious. It's also an excellent choice for keeping blood sugar in check. Thanks to the fermentation process used to make it, sourdough has a lower glycemic index than most traditional breads. This means it causes a slower and more gradual rise in blood sugar. Plus, it's easier to digest, making it a favorite for those with sensitive stomachs. Look for authentic sourdough made with whole grain flour for even better results. The fiber content in whole grains further helps slow digestion and stabilize glucose levels. Avoid sourdough made with white flour, as it lacks the fiber and nutrients beneficial for managing diabetes. Ezekiel Bread. Ezekiel Bread is a powerhouse of nutrition. Made from sprouted grains and legumes, this bread is packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. The sprouting process breaks down starches in the grains, lowering the glycemic impact and making it easier on your blood sugar. Because it's nutrient-dense and free from added sugars, Ezekiel Bread is an excellent choice for diabetics. It's also a versatile option. You can enjoy it as toast, a sandwich base, or even in healthy French toast recipes. Whole grain bread. Not all whole grain breads are created equal, but a good quality one can be a diabetic's best friend. Whole grains contain all parts of the grain, including the bran and germ, which are rich in fiber and nutrients. This slows digestion and prevents blood sugar spikes. When choosing whole grain bread, check the ingredient list for 100% whole grain or 100% whole wheat as the first ingredient. Avoid breads with added sugars or refined flour, as these can counteract the benefits. Low-carb bread. Low-carb bread is a game-changer for diabetics looking to enjoy bread without the carb overload. These breads are specifically formulated with minimal carbohydrates, often replacing wheat flour with almond or coconut flour. Low-carb breads often come in various flavors and textures, so there's something for everyone. Rye bread. Rye bread, especially dark rye or pumpernickel, has a lower glycemic index compared to regular white or whole wheat bread. Its dense texture and high fiber content make it a slow-digesting bread, which helps keep blood sugar levels steady. Choose rye bread made with 100% whole grain rye flour, as some commercial rye breads mix in refined flour and added sugars, negating the health benefits. Rye's unique flavor is perfect for hearty sandwiches or as an accompaniment to soups and stews. Flaxseed bread. Flaxseed bread is an excellent option for diabetics due to its high fiber and omega-3 fatty acid content. The fiber helps regulate blood sugar, while omega-3s promote heart health, a major concern for many diabetics. Flaxseed bread is also naturally low in carbs, making it suitable for low-carb or keto diets. Look for brands that use whole flax seeds or flaxseed meal to maximize the health benefits. Chia seed bread. Chia seed bread is another fantastic option for stabilizing blood sugar. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, healthy fats, and essential nutrients, all of which contribute to better blood sugar management. This bread is often gluten-free and made with nutrient-dense flours like almond or coconut flour. It's a great choice for anyone with dietary restrictions or who simply wants a nutrient-packed bread alternative. Flaxseed bread recipe. Before we wrap up, here's a quick and easy recipe for flaxseed bread, one of the best options for diabetics. It's low-carb, high-fiber, and packed with omega-3 fatty acids to help you manage your blood sugar and boost your heart health. Ingredients: 2 cups of ground flaxseed meal, 5 large eggs, half a cup of water, 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line a loaf pan with parchment paper. In a large bowl, whisk together the eggs, water, and olive oil until smooth. Add the flaxseed meal, baking powder, and salt to the wet ingredients, mixing thoroughly until a thick batter forms. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan, smoothing the top with a spatula. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the bread to cool completely in the pan before slicing and serving. Enjoy this bread as a healthy base for your favorite toppings or as a simple side to your meals. It's a satisfying way to support stable blood sugar levels. Managing diabetes doesn't mean you have to give up bread. By choosing the right types, you can enjoy this staple food while supporting your health. Sourdough, Ezekiel, whole grain, low carb, rye, flaxseed, and chia seed breads are all excellent options that help keep your blood sugar stable without sacrificing flavor. Now that you know the best bread options for diabetics, it's time to take control of your diet and enjoy meals with confidence. Which bread are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with anyone who could benefit from healthier bread choices.